And now first though, Shuttle 3 Foxtrot to Heathrow, GEU PK, A319 with flight 1407. And then I think the Icelandair is going to be the final departure on 23 left today. Drew wants a toga. Whistling. Performing what I can only describe as an airshow takeoff.
That was Mint Man. Cool Mint.
Was it cool mint?
Oh, Ice Mint, sorry.
Catch you later, Roy. Thanks for joining in. It's been good having you around.
Cheers, Roy. Good evening.
Good evening, Sam. Good evening, Amaris. Look how high that is. That looked like nothing, did it? It's like 3,000 feet almost. Crackers of it,
We hope you enjoyed this flight. You can catch this connecting flight next, and feel free to say hi and leave a thumbs up, it's much appreciated. Until the next one, cheerio!